Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your plant room with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best humidifiers for plants, chosen for their power, smart features, coverage, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. First up is the BEOUSG Ultrasonic Humidifier. It's a clean, vertical unit that packs a 5-liter tank, covering up to 505 square feet. It's built for efficiency, producing a fine 5-micrometer mist that gets moisture into the air fast without soaking your furniture. We like the smart humidity sensor that keeps things between 45 and 90% automatically. It runs for about 36 hours and stays under 32 decibels, so it's virtually silent. You also get a 7-color LED for ambiance and a remote to adjust the 3 mist levels from across the room. The verdict? It's a great budget-friendly pick, but you've got to follow the manual. Some users reported leaks because of improper setup, and the plastic feels a bit thin. The mist also shoots straight up, so keep an eye on your ceiling to avoid mold. However, once it's running right, it's a lifesaver for dry throats and thirsty plants. It even includes water shortage protection and a cleaning brush. If you need a simple, effective humidifier, this one is a smart move. Next, we have the GloryAir Humidifier with Humidistat. This thing is a beast for larger spaces, handling up to 650 square feet with an 8-liter tank. It offers both warm and cool mist, which is perfect for year-round comfort. We really like the 1.3-foot extension tube and the 360-degree nozzle because it actually distributes moisture instead of just letting it pool. It's powerful enough to pump out 500 milliliters of mist per hour, and the external humidistat is surprisingly accurate. Refilling is easy thanks to the top-fill design, and it runs for up to 80 hours. It's a solid investment for a greenhouse or large living room, but watch the water level. Some users found the pump doesn't always shut off when empty, which could lead to it burning up. Also, the LED lights have been known to flicker or die after a few days. It resets its mist settings every time you power it off, which is a bit of a pain. But if you want a quiet, high-capacity unit, the GloryAir delivers. The Homedics Natura Humidifier is easily the best-looking unit on this list. It doesn't look like a piece of medical equipment, it looks like furniture. It features an integrated planter tray on top, so you can literally put your favorite plant right on the device. It covers 402 square feet and runs for 60 hours on a 1.3-gallon tank. We like the clean tank technology and the fact that it offers both warm and cool mist modes. It even comes with demineralization cartridges and essential oil pads to keep the air smelling fresh. It's a beautiful addition to any plant shelf, but it has some quirks. You have to remove the reservoir to fill it, which isn't as convenient as a true top fill. Some users also reported that the aromatherapy tray is a bit fragile and prone to breaking. There have been a few reports of leaking, so it's worth keeping an eye on it during the first few days. Still, if you want something that blends in with your decor, the Natura is a gorgeous choice. If you have a massive collection, you need the LACIDOLL 20L humidifier. This is a heavy-duty solution that covers a staggering 2,500 square feet. With a 20-liter tank, it can run for up to 72 hours without you touching it. It pumps out 1,000 milliliters of mist per hour, making it ideal for large offices or warehouses. We love that it has wheels and handles because you're going to need them to move this much water. It includes an extension tube for high ceilings and a remote for easy control. This is the ultimate high-end pick for serious indoor gardeners. Just be aware that it's quite a complex machine. Some users have run into beeping issues or the warm mist function shutting off if the sensor gets too wet. Long-term durability is also a bit mixed, with some units failing after about a year. But the customer service is top tier and often replaces parts quickly. If you need raw power and huge capacity for your entire home, the LACIDOLL is the way to go. Finally, we're looking at the DREO HM755S Humidifier. This is the smart choice for modern homes. It covers 1,000 square feet and features a 16-liter tank that lasts up to 130 hours. That's nearly a week of runtime. You can control everything through the app or voice command, which is a huge plus for busy people. We like the 6-foot-tall mist output that ensures moisture actually reaches the air. It's whisper quiet at 30 decibels and has a built-in UV light to keep the water tank clean and slime-free. It's a high-performance machine, but it's high maintenance too. You absolutely must use distilled water. If you use tap, you'll end up with white dust all over your electronics. It also makes some gurgling noises that might be annoying if it's right next to your bed. Cleaning can be a bit of a chore because of the large tank size and small internal parts. But for the sheer convenience of app control and massive runtime, it's one of the most reliable humidifiers we've tested. And that wraps up the top 5 best humidifiers for plants. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the description for all the product links and more info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. For more tech reviews and guides, stay tuned to the channel. Happy growing!